struggled not only against unfair laws but also for Indians' freedoms for British rule. Along to 40 miles from Ahmedabad to Dandi, thousands of people from all over India joined to march to protest British rule, the high salt taxes and the unfairness of to being allowed to sell their own salt. Gandhi and his followers walked to 12 miles a day and reached in 3 weeks. He called a battle of right against might. At the end of the march, Gandhi picked up some grains of salt from the seashore and to take a place. With these crystals of salt, I am going to shake off foundation of the British Empire with the Dandi March. Gandhi lost the civil disobedience movement against the British Empire. Following the salt march, 80,000 Indians along with Gandhi were jailed. But the British administration eventually invited Gandhi to London to discuss reforms in the India. His independence movement that led to independence in 1947 with a simple act of standing up against injustice. Gandhi shook the foundation of the British Empire in India. He showed that by working together, people to conviction and courage, even if each one is small and powerless as a grain of salt, can make enormous difference.
पोस्ट करके ले रही